Hello guys, for today's video I'm going to teach you how to import an Eclipse project. So many people prefer to migrate from Eclipse to Intellij. This is the most modern popular Java editor. People prefer to use it, but sometimes their old project they fail to migrate them. So for now we are going to study how to migrate this project. So let's start. We have already croned the project from Git, so now we are going to import it into our Intellij editor. So we start, we come here with file, we say new, we come here to project from existing source, then we choose the location of the project, we put it here in source codes. Let's find the location of the project. So we go with where is the location? Java reasons. This is our module that existed in Eclipse. Now we are going to import it in Intellij. Then we click open. So as we say that this is the already existing project in Eclipse, we are going to import it using external model called Eclipse as is shown on the screen. So we click next. So next we use the default settings. Modules, we say next. Yes, next we are going to use the default project style. Then here we are supposed to choose the version of Java we are using. So for me, this project I used Java 8. You see I have different version of Java, but I'm going to choose Java 8 because it's the perfect one for this project. So if you have different Java version for different projects, so choose the different one. So then we are creating the project. As you can see, it already scanned everything. It also created new folder for Intellij project. Then they are asking me to add it to subdivision. Let's say no, this is not necessary. So after opening the project, you can see that it's not learnable. You cannot learn it. So we have to do extra task, or we have to do extra activities so that you can get it up. I know some people struggle to set up servers, to set up the components, to set up the import and the classes that this knows, and the Java files. So that's all we are going to do in this video. So as you can see, let's try to open like one file, and you see there are so many errors because it's not finding some of the classes, some of the Java files. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to import all Java files that are consumed by this project. So to import them, we come and click here, we go to the project structure, then we come to modules, we choose our modules, then we remove those imports that are not found. This is the Java version that we have already. Then we are going to import external Java files that will be used for this project. So we click here, add new, we click jar and dependencies, we come to web app. This is my location of the Java files. We come to ribs, or these are Java files that this project depend on. So we are going to import all of them. So we are going to import all these Java files. So you can see that all Java files are imported. Then if we click apply, then we click OK, you can see that all errors have disappeared. It means that the project now is able to scan all Java files that are required to start the project. So after importing all necessary Java files, then we are going to set up the artifacts that will help us to run the project. So as you know, in Eclipse we used to set up servers and you set up the pods that the project will be running on, and that's what we are going to do now. With the artifacts, we click plus, then we choose here web application exploded, because we are working with Java web applications that use web.xml file. So then we can rename it, what you call it, Eclipse test artifacts. This is cool. So as you can see here, we have this module, then we put it into the output. Then the next thing we are going to do is to set up the facets, where we are going to import the XML file. So then, as you see, this is trying to locate the location of the, let me try to add this web XML. It's trying to locate it from its exact location. So let's double check if it's importing it from the real location where it exists. So we go to webinf web XML. Okay, that's the right location of the web XML.this project. As you know, the web XML is the starting execution point of the project, so that we have to locate it so that the Intellij project will be able to locate it so that it can start. So here also we have to check the location will be web app instead of web. That's okay. Relative path in the deployment directory, this is okay. Then we include in the artifact so that it can be executed by Intellij project. So after having this, I think now we are set with the this is the artifact that we'll be using to set up our server. For this project, we are going to use Tomcat server. I know there are different options you can use on servers, but for this project, you are going to use Tomcat. So for the next step, it's all about setting up Tomcat. For setting up the server, we come here to current file, we create edit configurations, then we click add new. We are going to add a new server. We search for Tomcat local. This is Tomcat, then we give it a name, call it Eclipse test server. Then we have to specify the location of server. So we have to download. If you didn't, you have to go to Tomcat website, then download the server. Then that's where we are going to locate. We are going to locate the location of the downloaded folder on our machine of Tomcat server. If you didn't, so you have to download Tomcat server first. Let's add new Tomcat. Yes, Tom, we'll name it Tom Eclipse test. Then we are done. And for the port, we are going to use also the default port, no change on this. Then we have to specify the artifact that will be used to run. So you can see that this is the artifact it will be building and deploying. So after setting this, we click apply, then we click OK. So now let's try to run this project and see that it really start. If it doesn't start, we are going to debug and check where the error is. So let's restart again and see if now the issue can be resolved. I hope it's okay. Let's hope that now at this time it's going to start. Let's see, we're waiting, starting and running. We hope now it's okay. Hope it's working. let's see, let's wait, let's see. It's up and running. It's connecting to the remote server, that's why it's taking somehow so much time, but let's see. But now you can see all errors are gone. You can see now that the project is starting. You can see that the project is now up. You can see that the no errors, it's connected to database, everything else was used to work in Eclipse. But the reason I did this video for you guys is because I know most people want to migrate from Eclipse to Intellij, and when you're migrating, sometimes you find it hard to set up servers, to connect those WebEx CMS, migrating the environment. Sometimes it's hard. You can see that the project is up and running as we said. So thank you very much for being here. If you want any kind of support, if you have any comment or problem, you can add in the comment section, and make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like and share the video to everyone who you think is in need of this project. Thank you so much. You are appreciated for watching this video. Thank you so much.